Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, where has tropical storm Dalila formed? A. Gulf of Mexico. B. Eastern Pacific Ocean. C. Caribbean Sea. D. Indian Ocean. The correct answer is option B, Eastern Pacific Ocean. Tropical storm Dalila formed in the Eastern Pacific Ocean, south of the southwestern coast of Mexico. Next question is, which award will Alexander Payne receive at the 78th edition of the Locarno Film Festival? A. Honorary Leopard Award. B. Golden Leopard. C. Silver Leopard. D. Pardo d'Onore. The correct answer is option A. Honorary Leopard Award. Alexander Payne will be honored with the Honorary Leopard Award, officially called Pardo d'Onore, at the 78th edition of the Locarno Film Festival. Next question is, what does a high-fiber diet help prevent in people with diverticular disease? A. Weight gain. B. Constipation. C. Heart disease. D. Blood pressure spikes. The correct answer is option constipation. A high-fiber diet helps soften stools, making them easier to pass, reducing pressure in the colon, and preventing constipation, which is a known risk factor for diverticulitis. Next question is, in which year did India launch its crocodile conservation project? A. 1970. B. 1985. C. 1980. D. 1975. The correct answer is option D, 1975. India launched its crocodile conservation project on April 1st, 1975, to save its native crocodilian species. Next question is, which state reported the highest number of Salmonella cases in the recent outbreak? A. New York. B. Florida. C. California. D. Texas. The correct answer is option C, California. The majority of the cases, 63 out of 79, were reported in California, leading to a major recall of eggs. Next question is, how many children were engaged in child labor globally in 2024? A. 100 million. B. 120 million. C. 138 million. D. 150 million. The correct answer is option C, 138 million. According to the new estimates, nearly 138 million children were engaged in child labor in 2024. Next question is, what is the current phase of the solar cycle that the solar orbiter is observing? A. Solar minimum. B. Solar maximum. C. Solar eclipse. D. Solar neutral phase. The correct answer is option B, solar maximum. The spacecraft is observing the sun during the maximum of its solar cycle, when solar activity, such as sunspots and magnetic field flipping, is at its peak. Next question is, which species had the highest increase in population inside Bannerghatta National Park, BNP, from 2019 to 2025? A. Tigers. B. Toads. C. Leopards. D. Elephants. The correct answer is option C, leopards. The leopard population inside BNP increased steadily from 40 in 2019 to 54 in 2025, attributed to stricter protection and improved prey availability. Next question is, according to the UNFPA's 2025 State of World Population SOWP Report, what percentage of adult Indians face unintended pregnancies? A. 36%, B. 30%, C. 25%, D. 40%. The correct answer is option A, 36%. The report reveals that 1 in 3 adult Indians, 36%, face unintended pregnancies. Last question is, which technology will be used to analyze the photographs taken of crops in the CROPIC study? A. Remote sensing technology. B. Drone technology. C. AI-based models. D. GPS-based monitoring. The correct answer is option C, AI-based models. The photographs taken during the CROPIC study will be analyzed using AI-based models to assess the crop's health and detect any potential losses. Now it's time for practice question. What is the reduced basic customs duty, BCD, on crude edible oils like crude sunflower, soybean, and palm oils? A. 5%, B. 10%, C. 15%, D. 20%. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.